So we've just got the info from the first name box. Now we want to do exactly the same for the last name box. So you're going to be copy and pasting quite a bit here. So get info from the last name box. So we'll just blow this up a little bit. Get info from the last name box here. And again, I'm going to say document.getElement by ID. And so what was the ID? So if we have a quick look here to contact us, this time the ID is last name. So this time now, if I jump back here, change the ID here to last name, L name. And again, what this is going to do, I will change this to L. If I just go in here, this is going to say, right, point to this input box and get ready to grab the stuff that's in this particular input box, which is referenced by its ID name, L name. So what I do then is, right, I've got that stored in a variable called L for last and capital N for name, and change that now to say, right, okay, you want to get the actual value of that input box, and I'm going to store it in a variable called ln value, and then I'm just going to say, right, when you're finished with it, get the box clear again, ready for another entry if somebody wanted to do something. And it's quite as straightforward as that. Hopefully I've made no mistake with variable names, because I'll be repeating this process in the next few